This is a news update from Stony. We're now under a tornado watch. We're in the basement of OCCC right now, currently with Joey.
We gonna die.
We gonna die. Here's a preview of where everyone is in the basement. We're dying right now. No, see me. You see Ashley.
Even when we're about to die, Ashley's the camera.
I'm still pretty. We're watching a tornado live on that screen right there. You can't really see on video, but we're all going to die, obviously.
And Stoney's tit is in my face.
I'm with my girlfriend, so I'm a very happy person right now because I'm going to die with my girlfriend.